Chillodie, would you tell me what helpfulness means?
It means to be full of helpness. Yeah.
Chillodie, you have the funniest definitions. But no, helpfulness means to always help out and do your part, like helping your friends. Just like you help me every time with the word of the day.
I really do.
You always help me.
Yeah.
So wouldn't it be kind to help your mom out at the house and do your chores?
Oh, yeah, now I see. Yeah, it would be.
You have helpfulness all the time inside of you, but
Yeah,
I just want you to try that at home with doing your chores.
Okay, I'll do that, Coach.
Awesome, Chillodie. Hey, practice helpfulness today, and you practice helpfulness too as we get back to our missions. Let's say bye, Chillodie. Bye. Come on,
Chillodie.
kids.
I said bye, Chillodie. Okay, Mom. You know what? I was not being nice because I wasn't being helpful. You're always helping me, and I love you because of it. So I'm going to be helpful. Hey?